Every night, the street becomes quiet after 9. The shops close one by one. The noise slowly disappears. In one small house at the end of the street, a light stays on. It is always the same light, warm, soft, steady. A mother turns it on before the sun goes down. She does this every day. She has done it for many years. Her name is Sara. She lives alone now. But the house still feels full of memories. Long ago, this house was loud. There was laughter. There were fast footsteps on the stairs. There were doors opening and closing all the time. Her son, Amir, used to run inside just before dark. He would throw his bag on the floor. He would shout, "I'm home," and Sara would smile every single time. That was before. Now the house is quiet, too quiet sometimes. Amir left the city 5 years ago. He went far away for work. At first, he called often. Then the calls became less. Then they stopped. Sara never asked why. She never complained. She just listened to the silence. But one thing never changed. Every evening, she turns on the light by the window. The neighbors notice it. They walk past and see it glowing softly. Some think she forgets to turn it off. Some think she is afraid of the dark. But the light is not for her. It is for Amir. In her heart, Sara believes something simple. If he ever comes back late, if he ever feels lost, if he ever walks down this street again, he will see the light, and he will know he is welcome. Some nights, Sara sits near the window. She holds a cup of tea that slowly grows cold. She looks at the empty road. Cars pass by. Strangers walk past. The light stays on. There are nights when her chest feels heavy. She remembers Amir as a child, his small hands, his sleepy eyes, the way he asked questions about everything. She whispers his name softly. Not to call him, just to remember. Years move quietly. The light keeps shining. One evening, rain begins to fall. The street becomes shiny and dark. Sara almost turns the light off that night. She feels tired. Hope feels heavy. But she stops. She turns it on, like always. Outside, a man walks slowly through the rain. His clothes are wet. His bag is old. He looks tired. He stops. He looks at the house. At the window, at the light. His heart beats faster. It is Amir. Life was not easy for him. Things did not go as planned. He felt ashamed. He felt afraid to return. But the light feels familiar, safe. He walks closer. Each step feels unreal. Inside, Sara hears a sound. A soft knock. She freezes. No one knocks on her door anymore. She stands slowly. Her hands shake as she opens the door. They look at each other. No words come out at first. Then Sara reaches out. She touches his face. Just to be sure he is real, tears fall from both of them. The light still shines behind her. That night, the house feels warm again. Not because the light is on, but because hope never left. Sometimes, love does not shout. It waits, quietly, with a small light left on.